Created this custom frame. Now let's go to elements, and just because this is a tutorial, I'm just gonna look up a tiger and say this is going to be the mascot. So here I have the tiger. I'm actually gonna add a new page, bring this tiger in, and in order for us to get that color to all of the letters, I'm just going to create the background to have a color. So I'm going to do background color. I'm going to make it like a gradient, and let's say gray, and let's say black, or even let's say orange. Let's bring like an orange in. Let's say this is what we're looking for. And so from here, I'm going to download this as a picture. So download, you just need this page only as a picture. Now, you're going to upload the picture, bring it in, and then I'm going to drag it into the frame. Now I just need to modify it. I'm gonna double click, and this allows me to move the image along in the frame. So I just want to move it. I can make it a little bigger if I wanted to, but I still want to slide it to the side, the left-hand side. You can slide it to either side, but I want my words to be on the right, so I want to slide it over as far to the left as possible. Then I'm just going to copy and bring back in the tiger mascot. This is where you want them to be about the same size and line them up. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Clicked it just to see if it was going to be about the same size. I see that I did it pretty good about being the same size. If it wasn't, then I would just move everything until it was the same size. Now, once I have them to be the same size, I'm going to crop this image. The image that's not in the frame, that's on the outside, we're going to crop this image. So I'm just going to go to crop and move this over so that it's no longer hitting. You can crop it however close you want to be to the words as you would like. So if you want it to be a little closer, you could try to crop it a little closer so that that gap is a little different. So now I have it just like this. So what I like to do to make it pop just a little bit more is that I'm going to copy, I'm going to duplicate the words, that frame, and I'm going to make that lettering just black. Then I'm going to take that frame, make it a little bigger than what it is currently, and I'm going to layer and send that to back. So now I have a little bit of definition with the back of those words. If I need to, I'll come here and I'll make things a little bigger, and I'll move it as I'll need to make it fit what I need it to do. But this adds just a little bit of definition to the words. Once you have this, then you can download it as you need to. But this is how you can split it in Canva.